Hi everyone, my name is Maguire Sharpe. I am a sophomore here at Lake Superior State University majoring in marketing. Let's go check out what's inside your freshman residence hall. This is my friend Beck's room. He's an RSC, so he has a private room, but this would be your regular two-person room. We also have rooms obviously in private and as a quad room. Important facts about the room: you have a closet that's 3x5, a twin XL bed, and every room comes with a provided garbage can. Now I'm going to head off to Beck because he's going to explain your room.
Hello, my name is Beck Tapper. I'm a second year and I'm a robotics engineering major. Over here I got my PC set up. Each room comes with a desk, a dresser, and the bed, and also a garbage can. I brought this desk over here so I could have extra space to do my homework. This does not come with the room. Remember that. I got my mountain bike right here so I can stay active. I got extra storage units underneath my bed and right here to house any stuff that doesn't have a home. Here's the dresser. I got my TV right here, my Apple TV, and some cookies if I get hungry. Then I got my fridge, my microwave, and my stereo. And then over here, last but not least, is my closet. I got all my clothes in here, my shower caddy, my detergent, and just any extra storage I need. And then that's my room.
Now let's go check out what your bathrooms are going to look like. This is what your bathrooms look like. You have your communal showers over here and your communal toilets here, and then the sinks are right when you walk in the door. There are 2 bathrooms per floor, 1 on each end of the building, but 4 bathrooms in the entire building. Now let's go check out the basement. One fun fact about Brady Hall is that from the 1800s to 1944, it was actually known as Fort Brady, and this right here building was actually the barracks for the Fort Brady. This is the Shark Tank Study Lounge. It is an awesome resource in Brady Hall for all freshmen. You come in here any time of the day, any time of the night. There's RSCs and RAs in there to help you with whatever subject that you need help studying with. I personally used it a lot, and it's awesome. Now let's go check out the laundry room. The laundry room is free for all LSSU students. There's plenty of washers and dryers. The only thing that we ask is you get your laundry done in a reasonable amount of time, just so that there's not laundry sitting in the washer or dryer for hours on end. This is the common area down in the basement of Brady Hall. It's a really fun place to go to hang out with your friends. We have a ping pong table, a pool table back there, and an air hockey table. We have 2 TVs with seating areas on both of them for any sports you guys want to watch, and there's also a piano back on this wall. Now let's go check out your kitchen. This is your kitchen in the basement of Brady Hall. It's got anything that you'll ever need, and it's awesome, especially if you hunt or fish like me, because you can cook anything that you catch or clean during the week. You have your microwave here, your stove, all your utensils and pots and pans are inside of these cabinets and drawers, and then you have your fridge and your freezer. The only thing that we ask is when you are done cooking whatever you're cooking, you make sure to clean and sanitize everything so that it's clean and sanitary for the next person that comes in here. Now let's go check out the game cleaning room. This is the game cleaning room in Brady Hall. It's a great place to go after you've been hunting or fishing, just so that you can clean up any game that you bring home. Over here you have your sinks. Over here you have your table with your fillet board. And the most important thing we ask about this room is you clean up after yourself, just so that there's not a bunch of fish or geese laying around all over the place. It's an awesome place to go though. One of my favorite places in Brady Hall for sure. Thank you for touring Brady Hall with me today. Make sure to follow Lake State on all of our social medias. If you have any questions, make sure to let us know. You are now one step closer to becoming a superior you.